Keeping this in mind, she started a day camp for children with intellectual disabilities at her home. She invested a lot of efforts to start these games. Owing to her efforts, the first Special Olympics were held in July 1968 in Chicago. About 1,000 athletes from USA and Canada participated in one day event, which was a joint venture by Kennedy Foundation and Chicago Park District. In 1971, US Olympic Committee gave the Special Olympic. France sent the first set of athletes from outside North America to the game held in 1970. In 1972 games, 10 nations sent their athletes. The United Nations declared 1986 as the year of Special Olympics. In 1988, the Special Olympics were officially organized by International Olympic Committee. In 2003, Special Olympic approximately 7,000 athletes from 150 nations participated in 18 disciplines. Symbol: the Special Olympic logo is based on the sculpture joy and happiness to all the children of the world. The logo is a symbol of growth, confidence, and joy among children and adults with disabilities who are learning coordination, mastering skills, participating in competitions, and preparing themselves for richer and more productive lives. Special Olympic. The flame of hope is the name given to the torch that is carried to and lit at Special Olympic Games. Paralympic Games are a major international multi-sport event for the athlete with various disabilities such as athletes with mobility disabilities, amputations, blindness, and cerebral palsy. Paralympic Games are held at an interval of every 4 years following the Olympic Games. These games are governed by the International Paralympic Committee. The first Paralympic Games were held in Rome in 1960. However, the Paralympic word was used officially in 1988 of Summer Olympic Games, which were held in Seoul. These were Summer Paralympic Games. The first Winter Paralympic Games were held in 1976 in Sweden. The Winter Paralympic Games are also held after every 4 years. Opening ceremony. The opening ceremony begins with the hoisting of the host country flag and rendition of its national anthem. After the national anthem, the athletes come for march past into the stadium grouped according to their nations. All the nations enter the stadium alphabetically according to the host country chosen language. However, the host country athlete enter last into the stadium after the host opening of the games is announced. At last, the Olympic torch is brought into the stadium and passed or until it reaches to the final torch bearer who finally light to the Paralympic flame. Closing ceremony. After the conclusion of all the sport event, the closing ceremony begins. Flag bearers for each participating country enter the stadium, followed by the athlete who enter together without any nation distinction. The Paralympic flag is taken down. The games are officially closed, and the Paralympic flame is extinguished. International Paralympic Committee. It is a global governing body of the Paralympic movement. The International Paralympic Committee organizes the Summer and Winter Paralympic Games. It also serves as the International Federation for nine sports, for which it supervises and coordinates the World Championship and other competition. Its vision is to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve sporting excellence and inspire and educate the world. It was established on 22 September 1989. Its headquarters is in Bonn, Germany. The main aim is to develop sport opportunities for all the people with an impairment, for the beginners to the elite level. Categories of disabilities. The International Paralympic Committee has established 10 disabilities categories, including physical, visual, and intellectual impairment. Athletes with one of these disabilities can participate in the Paralympic Games, though not every student sport can allow for every disabilities category. Physical impairment or disabilities include impaired muscles power, impaired specific range of movement, loss of limb, leg length, difference, short stature, etc. Visual impairment includes impairment of one or more component of visual system, and intellectual disabilities included the significant impairments of intellectual functioning. The International Paralympic Committee mainly refers such athletes with physical and visual disabilities, whereas intellectual disabilities can be added to some Paralympic Games. Deaf Olympics. Earlier, the Deaf Olympics used to be called World Games for the Deaf. The Deaf Olympics are an international Olympic committee and sanctioned event in which Deaf Olympics athletes compete at an elite level. In Deaf Olympics, the starter gun, bullhorn commands or referee whistles are not used as seen in Olympics. Flags or any visual signals are used to alert the participant. These games have been organized by the International Committee of Sport for the Deaf since the first event. The Deaf Olympics are more than just the world second oldest multiple sport after Olympics. These games are the world fastest growing sport events. Wow. Ooh. So this is my today practice on stammering, and definitely I will overcome my stammering problem, definitely and surely. Thanks to all. Bye bye to everyone. Bye bye.